can either use guanciale, which I like the best obviously, or you can use pancetta. Now we're gonna make our slurry, a little egg, a little Reggiano, mixed with a little sheep's milk pecorino cheese as well, a lot of black pepper. Then we're gonna start to saute the guanciale in the butter. You wanna remove a lot of the leftover butter and then add a little bit more so it's nice and fresh. Then we're gonna add a little bit of water and then let it sit. Once our noodles are ready, we're gonna stick them right in that liquid. And then we're going to reduce the water around the noodle, releasing the starch again. When there's a little water left, not that much, we're gonna remove it from the heat and then slowly add our slurry in. And while we're adding it, we're gonna mix it nonstop. We're gonna toss it, again, 30 times. And it'll start to thicken up really nicely around the noodle. And then we're gonna add a little bit more cheese, and then we're gonna agitate it a little more. All of this is off of the heat, very important. Once you start adding the egg, it's off of the heat. There you go, then we're just gonna twirl it on the plate. And then we're gonna finish with a little cheese. Enjoy.